Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to make a stylized 3D model of a medieval house using Sloyd. So let's go in and we type in house and we'll look for the medieval house generator. There it is. Now we got the default, but what I want is a quite small house in this case. So I'll start by just taking down the amount of floors. And that's already a bit better, but it's got too many shapes. So I'm gonna just remove the right and left side. So now it's getting there. It's more, it's more basic. I still think it's a bit big. So let's go to main body and take down the depth a bit. I think the width can go all the way down. So we just have one window on that side. And then I'll just remove the details because it's kind of overlapping with the door a bit there. And yeah, I think this is, I think that's basically it. And what we can do now is we can use the wackiness to make it a bit more stylized. So what I like to do is to add some tapering. And the tapering just brings it out a bit at the top and makes it a bit wider at the top, so that gives it a bit more of that stylized look. But then what really pushes it over the top, I think, is just some tilt. Just making it tilt a bit like that definitely makes it a bit more stylized. We can also do it slightly, twisted that way as well. And that's basically it. You can now go and export this and go and use it in a game or any other application that you want. So hope you enjoyed that, and let's have some fun with Sloyd making 3D. See you in the next one.